Foxconn to ship iPhones from Bengaluru factory to US starting June. Foxconn's factory in Karnataka will begin manufacturing and commercial shipments of iPhones from June, the state's industry minister MB Patil said in a social media post on Saturday. This isn't just a manufacturing milestone, it marks a strategic shift. With rising geopolitical and tariff pressures, India is fast becoming Apple's preferred production hub. This development strengthens Karnataka's position in global manufacturing and opens the door to greater foreign investment without compromising stakeholders' interests, he wrote on X. The factory in Devanahalli on the outskirts of Bengaluru is the latest to assemble iPhones in addition to the large scale operations already underway in Sri Perumbudur outside Chennai. Foxconn also has an operating unit in Hyderabad where it assembles airports. Apple CEO Tim Cook had earlier stated that for the June quarter, the company expects a majority of iPhones sold in the US to originate from India. The shipments are expected to begin at a time when US President Donald Trump has urged Cook not to manufacture products in India but instead to invest in more local facilities in the US. Apple, which counts China as its largest supplier, is looking to diversify its supply chain as tariff negotiations between the US and China continue. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.